You want to go on YouTube? Hi, what's your name?
Adriel.
Oh, nice to meet you. You'll see yourself on YouTube probably tomorrow. Rating accident. Traffic. Saturday.
Just Saturday, man.
So, we are on our way to get a little thing for our ex-landlord. Unfortunately, our daughter had passed. I don't remember if you see the last vlog when we said we're in a gloomy mood, and that was the reason. So, yeah, we're on our way to get something for her, and we're gonna shop. The marketplace they be, and it over there look fuller than usual. But what them sell?
The same thing with the mango selling there every time we go over there.
More aloe vera plant for my baby girl. My natural hair just under things not deal with nothing. Lilio? But yes guys, I'm sure you'll see my baby girl here. Here is long. I catch her way past her where people would have called bra strap, and I use the aloe vera gel in her hair, guys. Let's say we not broke, not fix it. Probably in the future I've changed our routine, but for now that's what I'm doing. Alright, so come along with us. So guys, we're heading into Costules. Sweet girl is sleeping. We're going to find a fish line. People realize that we live close to a lake. And they say I'm going to try carry carrot to fish. Leo must have all the patience. Leo, you have to sit down hours sometimes, you know. Yeah, to fish, you have to sit down hours waiting on the fish. Half an hour. Crazy. But Leo, you have to put bait, you know. Where is it? It's an artificial bait. Where's babe? Is that the nicest one?
I don't want the goldish one.
You see a gold one? There's something to make your place nice. You can buy that.
It is pop.
Bowl it there. But that is too expensive nonetheless. But
Yeah.
they have the cutting boards. And it seems as if, where it seems like as if, Leo, is that sometimes when there's a bulk or something come, they come everywhere. So you see they have the mirror them there, so like what we see. They have the bulk of mirror store. There, so it's the comfy car now. I think you'd have to ask, you know, B, right? To the fishing line, or you know where it is. You think so you could have buy none of this for lunch, like pizza? Not pizza, patty. You have to have a boat, Leo. That's $70 feed. See there? 69.99. At 10, Leo. How much you want, Patty? How much you want, Patty?
Oh,
250, 250, 250. So basically, things like for lunch. People like it.
Alright, right now?
Come, Carol. Hold mommy's hand. Papa. Hold mama hand. Alright, guys, we gave Carol at $5 to shop. Whatever I want buy for $5.
I'll find that time.
You want this? You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You think you must buy it, babe? Take it. Look, Carol, you have $1.59 left. Okay, sorry. This is for $1.59, so you have $3 remaining after, okay? You have $3.41 after. 5 minus $1.59 is $3.41. Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, me teach him maths. Okay, Papa? You have to pay for it yourself, alright? Alright. We got in the thing for our landlord in here, our ex-landlord, sorry. We tell you have to get 1 bun and piece of cheese. Usually you get 1 can of cheese and about 3-4 bun we end up with. So we're not doing that this year. We're getting a piece of cheese and we're getting 1 bun. And we're gonna bake a cake. We're gonna bake a Christmas cake for our Easter. Leo, or buy that rose vase thingy. Buy that rose vase, it's cute. And buy pink. Pink is beautiful. I wish that we could afford. I've been seeing these. These are nice as well. Look.
Yeah, but me have to do like
I would have buy the pink one.
let me like cloth plus this thing.
Why you said that?
She have some bad experience with it.
Nah, you get organ keys.
I'll take me out to Mom.
When we go into the car, I'll take it out, alright? So we're
So
here.
guys, right here I was looking for a air dryer. Guys, I have been natural since 2017, 2018, and from that time, guys, I personally have not used heat in my hair. I usually air dry my hair when I wash it. But guys, with 2 young kids now, I am so over it. I'm joining the heat committee. I of course bought my heat protectant because I don't want to damage my hair. But guys, the what to do natural life, I think I'm over that for now. Meaning, you know, don't put, you have to always have on a bonnet and no heat in the hair and all of that. So I am over it. Guys, if you're ever in the Cayman Islands looking for something to eat, kindly check out Foster's Cayman Bay Eatery. Guys, your food is just delicious. Guys, we must confess, we have not eaten from Foster's only soup for the past 4 years, or yes, close to 4 years, because we used to buy at Foster's and we didn't do like the food. They must have gotten a new chef. Almost everything tastes good. We got a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Vegetables, of course, and grilled chicken breast and rice and peas. Alright, let's go. Hard, and we have a gift basket. So we're gonna head in and give to our landlord. We'll be right back, people. We have money to buy that and that and that. How much water how much we want? One? We have two, don't?
Yeah.
Nice. Like, I'm take up two of the planche then, and I see nothing else.
Want this? Alright, no.
I don't remember, and do we have you make eggs this morning? You make eggs this morning, I don't remember.
Alright, no problem, no problem.
A-R-I-A-H. Araya. Yes. You know apples? Oh, cool. You want that?
Yes, it's sauce, it's sauce.
I eat chocolate.
The chocolate?
You want to go on YouTube?
You want to go on YouTube? Hi, what's your name?
Adria.
Oh, nice to meet you. You'll see yourself on YouTube probably tomorrow or the day after, but I'll try for tomorrow, okay? Alright, have a
1 week later.
good girl. Say thank you, Daddy. Alright, she don't want to say thank you, people. Alright, let's go. People comment down below which one bun we must get. Because we are eat Christmas cake in a bun season. Taking out one. You see the cost, people? But them bun here look as cheap in comparison to the others that we saw. This for me there's a bun for like $16 and this have to $8.29. Babe? Yeah. That's a yummy bun for $8.29. And I see it's good at the size of cheap. So which one?
Oh my god! Wow!
My best bun.
A Maxfield, man.
Maxfield? Okay. I remember, I know we do one review. I mean, I remember which one good and which one bad. Just seeing pineapple, mango something. I'm gonna see mango something, Leo. Mango chunks. You know, that's so. I don't see no fruits. Not seeing any fruits enough to make smoothies. $3 is in your pocket.
And he eat donuts.
Do you want a donut with a donut is $1.50. Do you want a donut? Do you want to buy a donut? I'm gonna take one up for you and you're gonna have $1.50 after you buy it, okay? Mommy's going for a donut for you. Here you go. You have $1.50 remaining, okay? Alright. Teaching the boy how to use money. Share. I don't think so. You don't need no ginger or anything. There are people who buying green grapes today. Not bother with the proper grapes then. Just so these taste alright. So we're going with green big and nice. Look, I said the green grape nice. I said them somebody put them purple grape, but I take up for you. They take up put out the green grape and take up green. This is a pumpkin.
Yeah, them not pretty after, but so I go.
Masha. I think we have piece we can cook.
cabbage or something.
Yeah, last time we never buy no cabbage either. B. You want me to buy some of this? Sliced fish. A snapper. 10. Would I buy 2 pounds at $20? A fresh snapper, nice. Would I want string bean? Would I want buy nice things to bring up here? Okra and okras. Yeah. String bean and okra. Sir. Hi. Can I get? Can I get 2 pounds of this fish, please? 2, just 2. Huh? 2 pounds. For $20, right? 2 pounds. They look nice and fresh. I want okra, Leo. It's nice that was on okra, yeah. So okra and some string bean. Woo! The sweetest fish you ever eat, Leo.
You pick up your palette knife and then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
And okra. I'll buy it. We don't, a long time we don't eat them fish, Leo. We in the air, but a long time we don't eat them fish. My people different things than chicken. Look here, nice and fresh though. $20 though, 23. Then better full my belly. Me feel some ribs. Yeah, me feel pork ribs. Yeah. We used to buy a variety of different meats, so we just buy pure chicken, brown laces, but I'm tired of chicken now, yeah? I mean, I know how long we don't think we can buy fish again. Dear.
What is this, Marie?
It's very expensive.
It's very expensive.
Ah, God. Fish there, bud. People want ribs. Want ribs. I want ribs. That is pork, spare ribs. Ribs. This said pork loin center cut chops being cut. We don't want 2 of this, but I want me a see. There. May I say, I don't want 2 of this, I want different type still. These are just $6. I don't want 2 of this, but I want mercy.
Oh, well, in there with us, one piece.
Yeah, but I didn't want it for Sunday.
So when I eat one,
Who eat 1 at 2?
Oh my God! Wow!
Carol,
Yeah.
what do you want to buy with your $3? Oh, but no. It's not $3, Carol.
Carrie already have donut.
You have $1.50.
Alright, so she want that. Alright, no get nothing, Leo.
She got the money.
What do you want, Carol, with your $1 that is left?
Carol, look at the price for it. You have how much?
$1.50. This is $2. You need something that is less than $1.50.
I need something.
Carol, look at you, and you just don't eat donuts. Where's the donuts?
I don't know the fun.
Do you eat it all? Do you eat chocolate? Do you take up one more chocolate ice cream?
Yeah.
Can we eat it all?
No, right, no, baby. What time
You want it open? Alright, say open please. Sorry, say open.
So here guys, we bought a few more items. Here you see Araya entertaining us. That was our latest shopping for the Easter holidays. Guys, I hope you have a happy Easter. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button, like, share, comment and subscribe.
Remember Christ, not just the bun and cheese.
Y and Z. Now I know my baby. Sing with me.